Welcome to my channel. This quiz contains 30 questions focused on general knowledge and geography. Your answers will reflect how much you know in these areas. Enjoy the quiz. Which country borders both the United States and Guatemala, Canada, Mexico, or Honduras? Which country's capital is Ankara, Turkey, Iran, or Greece? On which continent is the Sahara Desert located, Asia, Africa, or Australia? What does IMF stand for? International Money Fund, International Monetary Fund, or International Market Fund? Which Middle Eastern country has a red flag with a white serrated band? Qatar, Bahrain, or Oman? What is the largest state by area in India? Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, or Rajasthan? Which river is the longest in Brazil? Amazon, Parana, or São Francisco? The Amazon rainforest is mainly located in which Brazilian region? North, South, or Central West? What is the highest mountain in the UK? Ben Nevis, Snowdon, or Scafell Pike? Which country is the largest by area within the UK? England, Scotland, or Wales? Which city is known as the cultural capital of Scotland? Glasgow, Edinburgh, or Aberdeen? What mountain range runs along the southeastern coast of Brazil? Andes, Serra do Mar, or Rocky Mountains? What does the term nature generally encompass in relation to the universe? Human-made items, natural world, or fictional worlds? How are humans often perceived in contrast to nature? As creators, as protectors, or as separate? What year was the United Nations, UN, founded? Which city hosts the headquarters of the United Nations? Geneva, New York City, or Brussels? What does NATO stand for? North Atlantic Treaty Organization, National Allied Treaty Organization, or a North American Treaty Office? What is a democracy? Rule by one, rule by few, or rule by the people? What is a shadow cabinet? Cabinet of monarchs, government advisors, or opposition spokespeople? What is a constitution? A law document, an election result, or a national anthem? Which country has the oldest written constitution? UK, USA, or France? Who was the longest-serving Prime Minister of the United Kingdom? Winston Churchill, Margaret Thatcher, or Robert Walpole? Who was the first female Prime Minister in the world? Margaret Thatcher, Indira Gandhi, or Sirimavo Bandaranaike? Who is the current Secretary General of the United Nations? Antonio Guterres, Ban Ki-moon, or Kofi Annan? Which country recently joined the European Union? Ukraine, Croatia, or Romania? What is a federal government? Single-level rule, centralized power, or shared power system? Machu Picchu is an ancient site in which country? Bolivia, Chile, or Peru? The Matterhorn mountain overlooks which two countries? France and Italy, Switzerland and Italy, or Germany and Austria? Mont Saint-Michel is located in which European country? Italy, Spain, or France? Which African country borders the Red Sea and Ethiopia? Kenya, Djibouti, or Sudan?